Here we go.
I knew it.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 6:20 p.m. and ending at 8 p.m.
Distracted SBR!
Are you serious right now? Give me a break!
Oh my god.
5 feet 5
I
inches tall,
actually-
136 pounds. White stripes on the sleeves and black jeans.
Oh, wait a minute, our film station's just gone off.
2014, blue Dodge Caravan, Florida tag numbers, black Adidas sweatshirt with white stripes on the sleeves and black jean shorts.
Video showing S.
2014, blue Dodge Caravan, Florida tag number CZ8613. The end. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Barbara City.
Are you kidding me right now?
Female at the rear window. If you have any whereabouts of this child, please contact the Daytona Beach Police Department at 388
It's for...
6
Wait a freaking second.
510-1911. Flipper.
Policy.
What the heck? Immediate evacuation!
Oh, what the Why?
That is happening right now. Just space.
We got Amber Alert and now an immediate evacuation.
The civil
The hell
authorities
is
have issued
happening
an
right
immediate
now?
evacuation for Yakima WA.
It's for Washington. God freaking damn it.
What the hell is happening right now?
Evacuation notice for residents within the following.
What the hell is happening right now, bro?
I have no natural of questions. What the fuck?
500 block of Sage Code Road. Southeast to east on Rose Drive. And south
Right
to
now,
Sage
bro,
Brush
bro.
Heights Road.
It's for Spokane.
West to
Where is Spokane?
Now what? What is this? What is
Then
this?
south
What
to
is
Sage
that?
Road and east to east Pine Hollow Road.
The chance. Yes, I.
Like, whoa, what the hell?
It ended right at the perfect amount of time before that EAS capture. Are you kidding me?
And attention should be exercised.
I knew
The
it.
following localities are included in the
Stephanie
warning
Nicole.
in this vale: Red Lodge, Sundry, Olds, Didsbury, Rocky Mountain House in Carolyn. Environment
Wait, did they
Canada
expand it or
meteorologists
something?
are tracking.
Yeah, they did expand it. Now includes Dixon.
Strong wind gusts, baseball.
Wait, did they just
size
say
of
Red
greater
Deer?
hail and heavy rain.
I don't know why I did say Red Deer at this time.
Threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that
Oh my
develops
god,
in
Red Deer's in
Carolyn.
this morning.
Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a very dangerous thunderstorm capable of producing strong wind gusts, baseball size or greater. hail
My
and
laptop
heavy
just
rain.
got a black
Take cover
screen.
immediately if threatening weather approaches. Intense lightning is likely, and tornadoes are possible with any thunderstorm that develops.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Provided
Heavy
by
rain.
the West.
Take cover in.
Oh, Calgary.
Whether your door is swing, Red Mountain.
Okay, bruh. What is going on right now? Yeah. This isn't funny.